We introduced the UV Ledtronic M1 curing lamp from Symach. After the first coat of UV primer, it's then on to the first curing stage. Now the Symach works different to most others on the market, where it has 36 LED emitters along a 50cm centre strip, and this allows the user to work over larger areas and several panels in sequence. Now with the lamp being electric, it comes with a 9-metre cable from the transformer to the power, and from the transformer to the lamp comes with a 1-metre cable. The lamp itself is 1.7 kilograms and the lamp produces 90 watts of power. The on and off switch is on the handle and that goes up in increments of 1 minute. Now as you can see, I'm onto my second coat of UV primer, and after the second coat of UV primer, it's recommended that you go horizontal and vertically, in my opinion, about twice vertically and twice horizontally, just to get a full cure of that UV primer. So in effect, your primer will be fully cured after 2 minutes and ready to sand. So after the primer, it's time to apply a guide coat, and this will give us an idea of the highs and lows within the primer, so we can sand those out nice and smooth, ready for the application of base coat. So to summarise, a very powerful electric UVA curing lamp by Symach.